Hi, but I just finished crying because I recently just finished watching the most comforting life lesson. So, the most comforting and full of lesson series that I have in my life. Entitled Anne with an E. And I finished the whole series just today. And I didn't realize that it would give me so much impact to myself. It's very comforting because I can see myself in Anne, but sadly, I didn't quite get the experience that she has in her childhood, in her teenager life, which she has a very understanding family. She has a very healthy relationship with her family, with her friends, and then everyone around her. It's full of respect and positivity. So I really wish I have that childhood, but I didn't quite have, which gives the show a relatable for me and comforting for me as well. I don't know if it will continue.